Your chick.
Baka Jugi. Baka Jugi.
You have so many dogs. Baka and Easy.
Baka Jugi.
And Chorny. Where is Chorny?
Finish outside.
Chorny is outside.
Baka Jugi. Baka Jugi. Baka. Mama.
Do you love Easy?
Baka and Iggy. This
Baka and
is all
Izzy.
my pets.
This is all my pets. Baga, Easy. This is all my pets. What about Chorny?
Dog lover.
Yeah, he's already a dog lover. Are you a dog lover?
I'm not a dog.
I'm not a dog.
I just dog lover.
I'm not a dog. I just dog lover. He said, I'm not a dog. I just dog lover.
Yuri speaks so good.
Yuri is a dog lover. Are you a mama lover?
No, I'm not a mama lover. I just
Just a dog lover.
dog lover, mama.
You don't love mama?
Dog lover, mama.
Only dog lover. Okay. Do you love papa? Do you love mama and papa? Do you love Easy and Baka? Yeah. This is amazing, guys. Meron tayong almost same word sa Russian.
Look at that.
Trapo to dito sa atin, di ba? Trapo. Ganyan, pantrapo.
Look at that.
Sa Russian, tinatawag nila itong triapka or trapuchka. Almost same. Amazing. We have almost same. And almost same word and the same meaning. It's this thing. Trapo, trapuchka, triapka. Update sa aming kwarto, guys. Ayan, nakapaglagay na sila ng nagsimula na sila kahapon na maglagay ng dingding. The outer wall, exterior wall, and then pagkatapos interior wall naman. And kompleto na din yung mga frame for the wall. Nandito kami sa Valencia. May dito. Dito kami sa nagtitinda ng mga halaman. Bibili kami ng mga pananim dito, guys. Lantaw, Mia. Ito yung pinakamalaki dito na nabilhan namin. Last time kasi, dito din kami nakabili ng bougainvillea. Sobrang laki ng farm nila or garden nila dito. Maraming choices. Pipili tayo ng mga halaman. Oh, gusto ko tong ganito. Daisy ba to? Maganda. Oh, maganda to. Ano tong klaseng bulaklak na to? Maganda. Sobrang laki talaga ng area nila dito. Oh, we should get this. I like this. This one. And I also like this one. Gani, oh. Nice. Asa kini unsa ni lansones?
Longkong ding doko nang dia. Kana.
Kini mo avocado? Unsa ni lemon kalamansi?
Golden pomelo.
Pomelo, wala pomelo ganahan ko pomelo. Davao, Davao pomelo. Palita ana.
Kung lungkong di eh. Nga, mahalo na.
Lungkong.
Oh, malungkong. Ang dako. Mahalo na.
Bi. Pila na katuig mo mamunga?
Avocado.
Kini nga bukado og lansones.
Ang dagko na ay 4 aning nami.
4 years?
Kari 5 to 6 years kanang
Kini 5 to 6 years? Kana mo oy
ang avocado is kuan na siya ay 1 year tapos na ito.
ang lansones 4.
Madagko na 4 ning.
Okay, we have rambutan, wala dahil ko rambutan. Pomelo, lansones, avocado. Ay. Ayan, bumili din kami ng mga halaman, guys. Rubber, tsaka ito, hindi ko alam. Kasi pangalan na ni Te? Green dust. Maganda siya. Tapos ito, tapos yan. Ayan na guys, ang aming mga nabili na mga pananim. Mga fruit trees, pomelo, avocado, rambutan, mangustin, at mga halaman dito, mga flowers. Ito talaga ang favorite ko. Gustong gusto ko to. May lansones din kami. Malaki na. Tag 600 pesos ang isa nito doon sa Valencia. Gustong gusto ko talaga to. Bibili pa ako ng ganito. Hindi na kasi magkasya sa sasakyan namin kanina. We'll buy more like this. And this one, also very nice. Baka! Is that your boyfriend? May aso ditong nasa laag. May aso na naman dito sa amin. Yung bahay namin talaga lapitin ng aso. Kisa dagay na eh. Kaninong aso kaya to? Mura man pong si Chorne, pero mas taas siya og buhok. Chorne, is that your friend? Si Chorne oh. Sobrang taba na ni Chorne. Malakas kumain si Chorne ng Royal Canin. Kuan na. Daming mangga. Mangga nila Lenlen guys. Tag-harvest kami. Ay! Igo na. Sige. Tag-ulan na talaga. Ayan, ulan na sa bukid. Papunta na dito yung ulan. Sobrang lakas. Ay! Rainy season. Yung tanim namin na binili kanina, hindi namin natanim. Bukas na yun. Tomorrow morning, itanim namin yun pa magpapatulong kami sa asawa nila. Yehey! Umulan na! Very nice. Ulan na. Itong grass namin ay ang bilis talagang nag-green. Kada yun. Baliw kong dalaan ng katong green. I think it's much better if we put it underground. Because it's like that is ugly with this plastic pots. And then we add green grass there. Like we can add bluegrass or Bermuda. And it will look beautiful when it's all green there. Oh wow, it looks more beautiful now. I like this one and that one. And we can combine with flowers like this. Yeah, some color. Green and then some colorful flower. Very nice. Look, I make a photo here. It's very nice. Yeah, or like this one, but I want big. I want like this one big. We have to buy big like that. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's so fresh already here sa bukid, guys.
Perfect. Perfect weather.
Yeah. Fresh na. Fresh. Napaka-fresh na dito sa amin sa bukid. Kagabi, nag-fog ulit dito. Tapos kahapon, umulan ng malaki. Tapos dito, gusto naming bumili ng... Anong magandang ilagay dito na plants? Gusto kong lagyan ng ganyan, oh. Yung malalaki. Yung madahon at malalaki. Mahaba. We're gonna buy more later. Okay, let's go plant our fruit trees. So, dito namin itatanim yung aming mga fruit trees. Sa border. There. Maybe here. One here, lanzones.
Near the mahon.
Oh, this one, like, yeah, near our mohon. This one, this is our mohon here.
This is our mahon.
And it's going there,
So it's
our border.
go
Oh, so maybe here,
yeah.
like here. And then going there. Ah, no, let's make line with this coconut trees. So
but-
we're gonna put fruit trees here.
Need to do far from this.
Yeah.
Maybe at least 5 meters from this coconut tree.
Yeah, and then we're gonna also put there.
Where's another mahon?
Or here. There. That clean area.
So maybe I can put here. It will not cover any view here.
No. This. It will not cover anything.
Dito anyway. So
Yeah.
maybe here.
Dito yung dati yung mga kawayan namin, oh.
One is here.
Malinis
second-
na dito. Pwede nang taniman. So, lansunis first. And the other one, what about avocados?
Maybe here.
We have so big lot, but
Maybe we will do it here something.
yeah. Sa plano sa general plan kasi sa aming lupa, guys, meron kaming ipapatayo na bahay. Yeah, magpapatayo kami dyan ng restaurant. Kuno. In our dreams. Pero malay nyo, di ba? Dyan yung, maganda kasi ang view dyan. Makikita yung dagat, tapos dito banda yung bukid. So maganda talaga siyang patayuan ng something, restaurant, cafe, or coffee shop. And then sa iba namang mga part ng lupa namin, magpapatayo kami ng mga apartments or mga mga bungalow or Airbnb. Kaya hindi kami basta-basta nagtatanim ng mga puno kung saan-saan.
Our house now.
Para pag nagpatayo na kami ay hindi na, hindi siya talaga madidisturb yung mga tinanim namin. So, kailangan talaga namin planuhin kung saan namin itatanim yung mga fruit trees namin. Go, go, go! Dapat 1 meter wide daw siya. Tapos, 1 meter wide, 1 meter deep. Tapos, dapat wide siya. More. 1 meter! Dapat wide siya kasi lalagyan pa siya ng fertilizer. Yun yung sabi nung nag-ano sa akin. Nagbenta sa akin ng fruit trees na to. We need to put water actually before we put it in. Ew! Looks so ewy. Yeah. 1 meter is so deep. Maybe too much. 5 Katunga. Tunga sa 1 meter. Half meter. Kay bilinta. Laluma po ng 1 meter, oy. Grabe na po na. Ewan ko, sabi nung nagbenta sa amin dapat 1 meter. Pero parang ang lalim ng 1 meter. I don't know, guys. Ganun ba talaga? 1 meter ba talaga? This is our first time planting fruit trees. So,
I just read that. I read actually they wrote like 80 centimeters,
80 centimeters.
10 meters from each other, then 80 centimeters. It's for fertilizing
80 centimeters deep
and wide.
and wide. So just
It's food for fertilizing. Like
uh
put some soil there. It's for soil around was fertilized.
oh, so maybe we need
Huh?
just 80 meters. 80 meters, 80 centimeters.
It's not much less than 1 meter, almost 1 meter.
Okay, so maybe it's right one.
You have soil.
Because the seller there in Valencia really told me it should be 1 meter deep to add fertilizer
Maybe, yeah.
every month or every. No, he said just add organic fertilizers like compost. Baka you want to be a fertilizer? Animal fertilizer. Huy, kalalom.
Ato itong mugbo di po daw inanag kalalong.
Yate kalalom.
Maybe no need to put so deep.
Yeah.
Put fertilizer and after put.
Buta nga lang gamay yuta no.
Kutangan tagayuta.
Eh,
maybe put some
atong tubig po daw inanag kalalong. Mamatay mong tugnog ng
Right.
tubig.
cow's poop.
Walay tais baka. Kamay.
It's strong plant. Ревнивица. Jealous. Baka, you're so dirty. So dirty.
Tadaan! We have one lansunes.
Alat.
Kanunis koan. Kanding nila.
Pag-ubukan mo ba?
We'll make fence here. So near my place. We'll make fence for this because they have a lot of goats. Our neighbor have a lot of goats.
Buntag hapon.
They're
Yeah.
gonna eat. Bubuan niya akong kwaon tong kuan bi. Host.
Yatud! Yatud! Yuri! You in my room? It's my room.
My room. Papa watching TV.
Watching TV.
Taghanong tubig. Yan guys, nakapagtanim na kami ng dalawang lungkong na lanzones. Isa dito, isa doon. Ayan. 1 meter deep and 1 meter wide. Lagyan namin ng tubig. Tapos, yung sa ilalim niyan, nilagyan pa lang namin yan ng compost. Yung compost ko galing doon sa aking compost pit doon sa likod ng aming bahay. Tapos, nilagyan namin yan ng iba pang mga fertilizer. Like cow manure. Hanap kami ng cow manure dito. Maraming cow manure dito sa bukid, so wala kaming magiging problema doon. Ayan, dumating ang Mandawi foam delivery ni Dimitri. May in-order pala siyang mga additional things, furniture para sa aming bahay. Yung iba guys, mamaya na namin itatanim mamayang hapon kasi naabutan na kami ng sobrang sikat ng araw dito. Mainit na. Mamayang hapon na tong yung ibang tanim. Meron pa tayo ditong golden pomelo, itong avocado, at mga mangustin. Dito na muna natin to ilalagay.
Kuman na nagbubo.
Okay, bubuan pa dungagan tagay ni kay. Bilhin niyo ng karton?
Pwede mo.
Akong pangayoon, oh. Ang ibutang sa kong kuan, garden. What is that, Yuri?
A boy.
A ball? Giant? It's for our veranda, guys. Nagbumili si Dimit. What's the name of this? Bean bag? Bean bag.
Or Ottoman bag.
Ottoman bag. Ottoman bag. It's gonna get wet. Installing. Yuri, please don't play with that. You're not working. Wow, nice. What is that, Yuri? Train? Is that a train? It's a house? He said it's a house. Yay! Ayan na guys, ang aming divider. Dito sa sala. Mas maganda na siyang tingnan, no? Tapos nalagay na namin tong ni Dimitri. Anong tawag nito? Galing sa YouTube. YouTube button? It's for 100, silver button pala to. It's for 100,000 subscribers. Matagal na to nakuha ni Dimitri last year pa. Tapos pag nagka-gold button siya dito na mas taas. Maganda na. Tapos ayan, may lagayan na kami mga sapatos. I'm gonna wear this. Tapos, itong mirror na to, attach namin to dito. Tapos, ito namang mirror na to, ilagay namin to dun sa loob ng aming bathroom. Kasi yung mirror namin doon, maliit. Gusto ni Dimitri malaki. Tapos, dito naman sa kwarto, meron na kaming ganyan. Partner nito. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga ibang gamit namin, ibang mga damit ni Yuri, mga gamit ni Yuri. Lalagay ko mamaya. Mag-organize pa kami dito mamaya. Dami ko pang kailangan i-fold na mga damit. Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
To get my passport with residence and ID.
Yay! You already have residence. It was approved actually
They said
2 months ago.
at 2 p.m.
Let's go.
And we need to drive.
Bureau of Immigration. Somewhere out there. Don't block the driveway. Okay. Get your visa and ACR card. Nandiyan yung immigration namin sa Dumaguete, banda.
And now I have another custom.
Huh?
Now another custom in future.
Why?
I need to transfer arrival stamp for new passport and my permanent visa need, and their cost is 15,000 to transfer, or I need to go to Cebu and wait 3 weeks and pick up again passport with stamp. It's for transfer new passport.
Why?
Yes.
Why they don't put it there?
This passport is expired in September.
So you need to put the stamp, your arrival
Arrival,
stamp.
it's in Manila. It's making for 3 days.
But 15,000?
No, arrival, it's okay. But permanent visa, I have stamp here. Permanent visa. It's from Cebu. Cebu immigration. I need to
But-
do it in Cebu.
You need to transfer it to your new passport.
Yeah, and it's take 3
Ah.
weeks. The cost is 15,000. If I go directly to office, it's like 6 to 8,000. 6 to 8,000. Like so expensive in a transfer.
Yeah.
Just
Just
transfer for new
transfer stamp?
passport. Yeah.
Very expensive. So, show me this stamp. No? So, itong arrival stamp ni Dimitri, kailangan niya itong
No stamp.
ipa-transfer doon sa bago niyang passport. Kasi, di ba, remember nyo guys, nag-apply kami ng bagong passport sa Manila. Kaya kami pumuntang Manila. Kasi, nag-expire na tong passport ni Dimitri noong September. So, kailangan niyang
Papa, we're going to school.
kailangan niyang ipa-transfer tong
Mama,
ano,
we're going to school.
arrival stamp niya doon sa bago niyang passport.
Теперь permanent.
Okay, let's go.
Теперь
Let's
permanent.
go to school.
Philippines.
Spinning around, Mama.
So, ayan na guys, na-organize ko na ng kaunti. Meron akong nabiling mga organizer kanina sa Mr. DIY. Diba? Mas organized na siya tingnan. Mas maganda na siya tingnan kaysa doon sa blue na ano namin. Blue na cabinet. Pangit yun. Nilagay na yun namin sa labas. Doon ko ilalagay yung mga mga gamit naming iba. At to pala, i-attach namin to somewhere sa wall. Ano yan? Parang shelf yan. Nag-order din kami ng mga shelf. Hindi pa namin na-attach. Attach namin yung iba dito sa sala, tapos yung iba naman dun sa kwarto.
I know what means.
Something is missing. We need to add some green here.
I know what means.
What?
My BCGI. Contact
No.
pins.
No. Nandito yung ibang nabili ko ng mga organizer. Dito ko nilagay. Kasi nilagyan ko ng mga ibang mga namin, grocery namin dyan. Mga pagkain. Tapos ito din, nabili ko din to sa Mr. DIY kanina. Lagayan pa ng iba naming mga gamit pang luto. My pala is here. Bumili ako ng pala para sa aking garden. Maliit na pala. Diyan ka muna. They're working on the roof here sa aming veranda. Hi guys, magandang hapon. Let's go to my garden kasi mag-harvest ako ng kaunting okra. Magluluto kasi ako ng paksiw na isda. Isasali ko sa paksiw yung okra kasi masarap yun. Mag-harvest tayo ng kaunti. Kaunti na lang ang bunga ng okra. Isa. Meron akong isa. Ano ditong dalawa. Tatlo. Alis natin itong maliit. Apat. Lima. Isa dito. Ano pa tayo dito? Ayun, may isa pa. Kunin na natin to. Ayun, may isa pa. Uy, nahulog. Ayan. Enough na to. Harvest tayo ng 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 okra. Okay, enough na to. Actually, marami na akong na-harvest sa okra ko na to, guys. Paunti-unti lang, mga ganyan. 9 pieces, 8, 6. Marami na akong nakain na okra galing sa aking garden. Ito yung dati naming lagayan ng sapatos. Lagyan namin ng ibang gamit dyan. Mga less important na gamit. Ito naman, lagay namin to sa aming garage. Kasi lalagyan namin yan ng mga tools na aking garden at saka mga ibang gamit. Lagyan ko ng kaunting tubig. Okay, time to eat! Guys, sabi ni Dimitri, ilipat daw namin tong isang...
You just pull from here.
Yeah, we'll show them. Ilipat daw namin tong isa doon sa corner. Tapos itong isa naman doon sa second room. Tapos ito na lang ang matitira. Tapos ilalagay namin to ditong mirror dito. Kasi pag ganyan, maganda siyang tingnan pag dito ka nakatingin, oh. Maganda. Pero pag from this point of view, dito sa may dining area namin, medyo ano siya, wait. Medyo lumiit yung room na lumiit yung living room namin pag ganyan, oh. Hindi siya magandang tingnan sa ganito na side. Kaya
I like how it opens on the corner.
yeah, lagay namin yung isa dun sa corner tapos itong isa dun sa second room. Maganda sana pag ganyan. Kaso pag dito parang lumiit yung area namin. Ang bulky niyang tingnan dyan. Super wide. And wala na, hindi na makita ang TV. Parang wala kaming TV dyan.
Very sure.
But actually, from this point of view, it's alright. Yeah, but it's kind of ugly here, I think.
Massive.
Yeah, it's too massive here for this small living room. So we better put that one right there on the corner and the other one on the second room para sa
Very shelves.
office ni Dimitri.
Very long shelf.
Long shelf there in the room.
And brown one.